Hi guys, we have here the Amazon Basics 60-inch lightweight tripod with tripod bag. Do a quick unboxing here, give you guys a look. Comes in a box like this. And then just unbox it. We'll pull this out. Definitely lightweight, as you can see here. Very lightweight. So it comes in a bag, carry bag, makes it carry to transport. Let's go ahead and open this up. So it comes all nicely sealed in here, as you can see. Great quality so far. Let's go ahead and remove the bag. There you go. You have the tripod. Comes in a nice bag sealed. This is 60 inches. Let's go ahead and rip this plastic. As you can see here, that's what it looks like. So you can put the camera, kind of screw that on there. And you got all the tools. So far so good. I will recommend this tripod for the price cost. There are obviously heavier duty ones, but for those looking for simple photography or filming at home or at the office or outside, it's not a bad quality. Amazon did a great job in keeping the cost effective, especially for those sometimes looking for short term. You can see here Amazon Basics. So you can open that up, get that longer feet. So I just want to give you guys a quick look at the tripod from Amazon. You can see that as well. So if you're looking to purchase this, you can visit the link in the description below. I will rate this as a great quality price point tripod. Probably if you're professional, you probably look for a better quality one, but if you're at home, just need a tripod. It's a great quality tripod at a great cost. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe to my channel and have a great day.